Tired of unfair competition on Amazon? Here's the step-by-step guide to report incorrect variations on Amazon Brand Registry. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you some extra tips to get these competitors removed. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire and stay a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. First, we want to find a variation on Amazon that's violating policies, and we can see one right here. So this is a funny costume. It's a ranch bottle. Pretty funny, but you can see right here in the variation, it says ranch bottle, not costume. So they're selling a ranch bottle, and then above it, they're also just selling an actual bottle of ranch. And it literally says it's not a costume. So that's gonna be so easy to get them removed on Amazon. Literally, it straight up says it's not a costume. You can't sell costumes and ranch bottles in one listing. So if you see something and there's like errors on someone's listing, this is your opportunity to potentially report them, especially if they're competitors that are trying to take your sales. We want everybody to try to have equal rights on Amazon. Now that is unequivocal. What you can do is you can go into Amazon Seller Central, type in variation relationships overview, and you want to see the overview and see, okay, where are they violating? What policies are they violating here? You can also then go to Amazon Brand Registry and get them reported. So you're just going to go to brandregistry.amazon.com and you're going to sign in with your same Seller Central credentials. If it won't let you sign in, click create account and use the same Seller Central credentials and then log in. After that, you're going to be able to go to contact brand support and you're going to click report a marketplace policy violation. And here it is. Let's see, regulatory or other marketplace violation, policy violation right here. So, oh, here it is, incorrect variation. So incorrect variation just right in front of me. This is where you can report the incorrect variation. Just put the issue right. They're selling ranch bottles and they're selling costumes on the same listing. Make sure you take a screenshot of it. Put the ASIN in here as well. Include all impacted ASINs for the same listing issue separated by commas. The URL of the product detail page, super simple. And what you also want to do when you describe the issue to get it removed a lot faster is you want to mention these policies right here. So put a link, be like, I also read Amazon's variation relationships policies. I can see that this relationship isn't acceptable via Amazon's policies. It shouldn't be grouped together. And then you can see there's also other policies within Amazon that you can search for and mention. But this one's going to be one that you can totally utilize. So you're going to put all that information in. You're also going to take some screenshots. You want to make it as easy as possible for Amazon to look at it and be like, oh yeah, they're not supposed to sell ranch and costumes together, and just automatically shut them down. And then you're going to send that, and then you're going to wait for a response. You can just see your open case. Right now we have 6 open cases. You can check your open cases here and just monitor it. Sometimes they'll do something. Sometimes you have to actually reach out multiple times and then they'll take them down. And for staying until the end of the video, I also have 3 extra tips to get these violators removed from Amazon. And the number one thing is to do a test buy. So all you have to do is just come back here, do a test buy on one of their products, click add to cart, purchase it on the same email address that you use to sign in to brandregistry.amazon.com. Once it's delivered, you're going to go to your orders, go to your orders tab, and then go to your order ID. Then you're going to copy the order ID, and then when you report it, be like, I also did a test buy. Here's the order ID. Here's a screenshot of the test buy. That's going to increase your chances of getting them removed by around 90%. Again, it's going to increase your chances by 90% if you do a test buy. Just make sure it's actually delivered before you report them, or else it's not going to be acceptable. Number 2 is going to be, make sure you're referencing Amazon's policies. And when you do reference Amazon policies, try to even highlight the area where it says what can be put together and what can't be put together. So try to reference it and actually take a screenshot and then maybe even highlight the section. So let's say if this is it, I'll like circle it, save it, and send it to Amazon if there's any errors. Like highlight this and actually put that, make it as easy as Amazon can be, so Amazon can be like, oh, it is totally a violation, right? And then finally is going to be following up. So my last thing is going to be following up with Amazon. Make sure you're following up with Amazon. You don't just open a case and you forget about it, or else Amazon might say, oh, we need one more thing. Can you do a test buy, please? Right? They might ask for one more thing for you to do. So just follow up. Hey, is there any update on this? Right? And kind of go from there. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving you great information and special tips so you can increase your sales on Amazon. If you learned something new from today's video, comment below what you learned, or if you want us to create a video, comment below as well. Of course, if you need help selling on Amazon or anything regarding Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or Etsy, contact EHP Consulting Group. We are here to help you. Last but not least, we have our #1 service which is our A to Z management service, where you have your own dedicated consultant that's managing your Amazon, helping you increase your sales, making sure your advertising, customer service is all 100% handled by us, yours truly, and we can get your sales increased and your problems resolved. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I am signing out.